In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called word problem involving an ellipse. In this example, we're given a doormat that is a semi-ellipse, and we're given the length of 150 centimeters, and we're given the second width of 48 centimeters, and we're asked to find the distance here from this point P that is 17 centimeters from the center. So to sort this out, I'm going to put my axis on top of the center so that the center is at the origin 0, 0. And I can use that to find the standard form here. The standard form would have the a squared under the x because it is wider than it is deep. So the a squared would go under the x term. And since I put this coordinate system on top of the center, our h and k's are 0. So we can simplify this to being x squared and y squared. A is the distance from the center along the major axis, which is 75. So this would be 75 squared. And then b squared is the distance along the minor axis, which we were given as 48. So this would be 48 squared. And if I were looking for this point, I know that it has an x value of 17, and its y value is going to be the distance we're looking for. So when x is 17, we would have 17 squared over 75 squared plus y squared over 48 squared equals 1. Solving this for y, I would first subtract this term over to the other side, and then to continue solving for y squared, I would multiply both sides by 48 squared. This gives me y squared by itself, and then I could take the square root of both sides, and I would have a plus or minus. The square root and the square would cancel. So with this expression as my y value, I can plug into a calculator and get my answer. Back to the original problem, we were told to round to the nearest hundredth. In rounding this value to the nearest hundredth, that y coordinate would be 46.75. Our units are centimeters. The y value is a negative 46.75, but we were asked to find the distance, so 46.75 centimeters.